So I'm kind of best known for being one of the inventors of the touchscreen. So I invented a type of touchscreen called projected capacitive. After that, all of you today use all these different applications to make phone calls. I was the first person who made a VoIP call on a mobile phone. I'm joining World Mobile to be chief architect. My background is obviously fairly heavy technology, but also I built a worldwide network. I built a network that operates in 8 countries of the world. We use the internet a lot. We use it for banking, for shopping, for connecting with people and so on. I think if you connect the unconnected, then you bring people into the digital economy. And that means that they can get educated, they can participate in modern banking, they can pop up a website. So I think it just dramatically changes the economic outlook for people. What we have is really the standard cellular problem. We have to cover an enormous area, but we have to cover small parts of that area with very high bandwidth. So what we're doing to solve the unconnected problem is building a hybrid network where we have some aerostats, which are basically very large balloons connected to the ground. They're in a fixed position, but we can raise those up to 1,000 feet, 300 meters, and then broadcast to the horizon. The horizon's a long way from 300 meters high. It's actually about 80 kilometers, 50 miles. And then once we've got that very large backbone, we can then fill in with fiber-connected smaller nodes, air nodes, that give coverage to people on the ground with high capacity. So the first place we're going to launch is Zanzibar. So Zanzibar is basically 2 islands just off the coast of Tanzania. You can put an aerostat in the center of the island and basically see both ends. Now in practice we'll probably put one at each end so that we have some redundancy and we have some overlap for the town. And that will allow us to, with a single deployment, cover the whole island for broadband and cellular.